Our topic today is animals classification. Animals are very important to us, just like plants are. They make part of our lives. They help us, protect us, and are our friends. Animals can be classified by their main characteristics. Look at that bird! It's beautiful. Now, take a look at that big lion. But are they the same? Do the same have the same characteristics? Of course not. All the animals have the different characteristics, and they make them special. Birds have wings and a beak. They have 2 legs. They come from eggs and they can fly. But mammals, as bears, lions, or dogs, they drink milk when they are babies. They don't come from eggs. They come from the mud. Some animals can live in water and on land. They are called amphibians. They come from eggs. They can swim or walk, and they have a wet skin. But fish, they have scales. They live in the water. They swim and they come from eggs. Reptiles as crocodiles can live in water and on land. They come from eggs and have a dry skin. Now it's your turn. Listen to the question and say the correct answer. Question number 1. Do the animals have the same characteristics? Of course not. They are different. Question number 2. Name some characteristics of birds. Excellent! Good job! Now listen, question number 3. Do mammals come from eggs? Of course not. Very good answer. Now listen, the 4th and last question. Amphibians live in water and on land. Do you remember other group of animals that do the same? Excellent work! Now, it's all for today. Wait for our next video. See you!